Hello friends, welcome to CADCAM Nation. Today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can customize your part template of Solidworks, and I'm going to explain this step by step so you can follow. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, as you can see here, when you click on the new icon of this SolidWorks window, when you click on it, the first thing you will see is this. You will have a part, assembly and drawing, three options in front of you. You can customize all these three options, but I'm going to focus on the part. So as you can see, we can when you click on it and click OK, you will see the drawing area and all the option over here. But this is the default setting we have, but we want to change these settings. And how we're gonna do this, because we do not want to mess with the default settings just in case. So we need a separate template for this one to make some experiment with that. So for doing this, just let me close this one. Again, click on new and go to the advanced settings. You again have the three options: part, assembly and drawing. So click on the part and OK. Now you will see the same as you can see, the same window of the SolidWorks. It doesn't have any changes, but we can change the settings according to our requirement. How we're gonna do this? The first thing I'm gonna tell you that you can change the options. As you can see here, the feature sketch, you can customize these settings as well. You can put or insert your custom tab here. You can do this by clicking on this little rectangle here, just right beside the gear option. When you click on it, in the drop down list you can click on customize. As you can see, there is a window pops out, and if you put some attention on the background, you will see there are other options available as well. And at the last, you can see there is a new tab. When you click on it, there are several other options that you can choose, but I'm going to insert the empty tab. When you click on it, you can give it a name of your choice. I'm going to give it a name like Direct CAD. Okay, I have just given the name Direct CAD over here. You can drag it to your desired location like this, Direct CAD. We already have the direct editing option, as you can see here, but I added the Direct CAD customize option. But without adding any options or without adding any commands, if you click on OK, it will disappear. You cannot see here. Even if you click right click on it, you are not able to see, or you find it over here again. So how you gonna find it? The first thing, you can again go to the customize, and you can see it is here. So when you click on the Direct CAD or the new custom tab, you have to go to the commands and select the command. Like in the feature, there is a delete keep body option. Just drag it and place it. Another option, another command is split command. Drag it and drop it. You can select as many commands as you want. It is depending upon your choice. And one more thing, as you can see here, there is the other options available on the drawing area. You might not be able to see in your current view. You can make them appear as well by just dragging and dropping like this. If you do not want anything which is not your requirement, you can again drag and drop back into its original location. It will disappear from this location and click OK. Now you can see you have your customized tab over here. Now another settings that you can change is you can click on this triangular option and click on the options. Now systems option or general settings will open. You can change these settings if you want. There are other color options regarding to your the background. Like if you want to change the background color, you can select the medium light and click OK. It will change the color of your panel. Now again click on the options and colors. You can change to dark and click OK. It will change the color of your panel into dark. So I'm gonna leave it on the light one. You can also change other settings or the colors from here, you will see. And the next thing that I'm gonna say is you can change the display settings over here. File location, the template file location, you can change or you can assign the location of your new template files, even if it is not on the default position or into the default position. Like I have the default position is the C drive, but I also add the new D drive location. Now the feature manager is the one of the most important thing also we have. Like if you have the surface bodies, it will not visible here, but if it is automatic. When you create some surface body, it will show here, but if you select it and select the show and click OK, you can see the surface body is visible all the time. You can turn it off and on according to your requirement if you need it. So they provide you several other options that you can turn on and off. Now the second thing, the spin increment. You can change the increment by which the value you increase by clicking on the wheel or by sliding the wheel or clicking on the arrows. As I am going to change it to the 1 mm. So every time when I spin the wheel, it will increase the value by 1 mm. So there are the most important thing is the backup and recovery. Maybe sometimes, or there is a time your computer crashes or you are not able to save your work. There you can change the settings. You can auto save after 10 minutes, or you can change the time in minutes, or the location where you want to save your backup file, just in case. Now on the document properties, this is the in the drafting standards, you can change the drafting standards according to your design requirement. I'm going to leave it as it is. The next part is the annotation. You can change the annotation font and size. Like for example, I'm gonna change it 2 mm, regular, century, click OK. And also you can change the dimensions style, like go to text and change the dimension. For example, it is 2.5 and leave all other settings as it is, or if you want to change, you can change it as well, and click OK. Now as you can see, there is an arrow. You can change the dimension of the arrows as well. For example, I'm gonna change the width of this arrow along this line equals to 1 mm, and the length of this arrow, only this portion of this arrow, I'm gonna change it to 2.5, and the total length of this arrow I want to change it to 4.5. You can experiment with these values which suits best in your situation. Now the detailing, there is the option which I generally preferred is the shaded cosmetic thread and turning off the cosmetic threads. You can either turn on both these settings, it is depending upon your requirement. Okay, then in the units, you can change the units as well from IPS, EGS, MKS. You can change these units anytime. Now in the model display, you can change the color of the model. You can assign the color to a particular feature. For example, if you have extruded feature like this, you can make it by going to edit and make it yellow. And you have fillets, you can change the color into red. So extrude is yellow, fillet is red. So whenever you extrude the model, the color of the extrusion is yellow, and whenever you fillet, apply the fillet command, the fillet color is red. If you want to save these settings, you can go to the save as, and in the save as type, in the drop down list, select the part template. When you click on it, it will redirects you to the templates folder. As you can see, it is already there, part template. You can change the name of this setting, so you know which template you are using. So I'm gonna name it like part modified So click on save. Now the document is saved. You can exit the window. Now when you click on the new window, you will see the part modified is there, and the part where we worked is separately available there. When you click on it and OK, you will see the direct modeling, every options and settings were there, like dimensions we changed, annotations, settings we changed already there, detailings, snap, units, every settings are there. So this is it, my friends. This is what the basic settings that we can do into the part template. On the progress, you can also change these settings according to your requirements. So hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Last but not the least, leave your valuable feedback down into the comment section and let me know how I can improve the quality of the content, so the next video I will put your suggestion into work. Stay happy, stay tuned. This is CADCAM Nation. Thanks for watching.